Hey, what's going on? Aaron Chen here, and in this video we're going to talk about how to start an affiliate marketing business, so see you in a second. Hey, welcome back, and if it's the first time you're watching one of my videos, I'm always coming out with videos that will teach you how to earn your first dollar on the internet, okay? So consider subscribing at any time, and at any time you want, you can just click the link in the description box below to get my 6-figure affiliate marketing strategies that you can use for yourself inside of your business. But today we're going to talk about how do you actually get started in affiliate marketing. How do you start an affiliate marketing business, okay? So we're going to talk about all the little components today, and this will literally blow your mind, all right? Now, in order to start a proper, successful affiliate marketing business, you need to understand this, right? You need to do it properly, okay? If you take shortcuts, you're never really going to have success on the internet. I'm going to talk about all the components today, and you must have every single component, otherwise it's not going to work, okay? So if you are cheap, if you're not willing to invest inside of your business, then do not start a business right now, okay? It might not be for you, but when you're ready for it, this can literally change your life. So let's actually go through it, all right? Now, all affiliate marketing business, it doesn't matter what you sell, okay? It all requires the same components, all right? So first of all, you need traffic, okay? Now, traffic, let me explain it to you. Traffic is anything that you can send to your website. So whether it is influencer networks or PPC, and I'll write this all down, okay? So, whether it's, let's just say, it's pay-per-click channels, it's social media, it's banner ads, right? It's YouTube marketing. So I do a lot of YouTube, right? Facebook, you know, there's a lot of different ones. Instagram, right? So many different ways. Influencer networks, whatever it is, basically you need to get new eyeballs to see your stuff, right? That is, there's no way around this, okay? You have to do this, and sometimes it's free and sometimes it's paid. It just depends on the strategy that you decide to use, right? Now, if it's free, but it takes more time because it takes time to get free traffic, okay? And if it's paid, it's, you know, you have to invest a little bit of money every single month to get that paid traffic, but it requires less time. All right, so just understand that that's the big difference between free and paid. So traffic is one thing. You need to get fresh leads and new people to see your stuff every single day, okay? The second thing that you need is you need your own sales funnel, all right? So I'm just gonna call it, let's see, sales funnel. Sales funnel, okay? So you need your own sales funnel. You cannot use somebody else's sales funnel. Now, you can use somebody else's sales funnel, and they talk about this a lot. So you'll see a lot of products on the internet that promote, you know, replicated websites. Use my done-for-you system, my done-for-you website, all right? Now, you don't want to do that. I know it might seem really enticing, but if you use somebody else's stuff, your conversions are going to suffer. And the reason is because there are hundreds of thousands of other affiliates all over the world using the same websites, and everybody looks the same. So if everybody looks the same, your conversions are going to suffer, right? Because, you know, millions and millions of people have seen that exact same replicated sales funnel, and they're not going to buy because it looks the same as everybody else, okay? So the big trick to doing really, really well in an affiliate marketing business, selling other people's products, is you must be unique, okay? You must not look like everybody else. You must stand out from the competition. And if you don't stand out, your conversions are going to suffer, and it's very difficult to get into profit, all right? So you must have your own sales funnel. The other thing that you must have is you must have a tracking system, all right? A tracking system. Okay, now this tracking system, I can't spell. Okay, now the tracking system is going to surround everything. Let me see. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to put it in red. That might be easier. Okay. The tracking system is going to surround everything. All right. Because it needs to keep track of where your traffic is coming from. It needs to keep track of what's going on in your sales funnel. Who is converting? Is it your pay-per-click ads that are converting? Is it your YouTube posts that converted? Is it your banner ad on, you know, clickbank.com that's converting? You know, is it your Facebook ads that are converting? Where are your sales coming from? You have no idea, okay? So if you don't have a tracking system, then you're big time screwed. I hope that makes sense, okay? And the last thing that you need is you need something to sell, right? So you need what we call offers, okay? So something to sell is called an offer. Now this comes last. Now this is important as well, because if you're selling crap on the internet, then nobody's going to really want to buy from you anyway. You have lots of refunds, you're going to have a lot of unhappy customers, and your reputation overall is not going to be great, unfortunately, okay? But that's important. So these are the components that you need to start an affiliate marketing business, okay? You need to understand marketing. You need traffic. You need to bring people through the right sales funnel, okay? So these are arrows right here, okay? And you need to sell something, right? Otherwise, you're not going to make any money, right? Now, what you sell here is up to you. It could be anything. It could be somebody else's product. That's what a lot of affiliate marketing is. So you can sell Amazon products. You can just go to a website called clickbank.com or JVZoo or Warrior Plus, and they've got a lot of digital products in all different categories that you can check out for yourself, right? Or you can create your own digital products, and that's what I do, right? So I sell other people's products. I also sell my own products, and you can stick them at the end in order to promote them. But the thing is that you need all three of these components, right? Now, the biggest thing that you need, right, in order to do all this right, otherwise you'll never learn how to do affiliate marketing, okay, is you need, I want to make sure you can see this. Oh, it's a bit tight, but you need marketing, I'm just going to put it here, marketing skills, okay? And what this does is it wraps this entire thing, okay? In order for you to do it properly. And if you don't have marketing skills, you will never be successful in your affiliate marketing business, okay? Don't think that you can go out there and figure it out yourself, all right? Don't think that you can hang out on YouTube for hours and hours and hours and hours every single day and figure out how to do this all properly. You can't. It's very difficult. I've tried, all right? Even if you sat here and watched hours, nobody is going to sit on YouTube and give you a 10-hour course for free, right? It doesn't work that way, all right? I hope that makes sense, okay? But what you do need is you need to invest in a great course that will teach you how to market everything and do it properly, and you have to be willing to invest, okay? So these are the components, okay? You need traffic. You need your own sales funnel. You need something to sell. That's called an offer. You need a tracking system to take care of everything. You need to monitor your traffic that's coming into your sales funnel every single day, right? Obviously, you need to pick the right offers, and you need to understand how to put this all together with marketing skills that wraps all this into a nice little ball, right? Otherwise, you'll never figure out how to do this, okay? So first of all, I'd like to hear from you, right? Is this something that you would still like to do? Let me know in the comment section below. Did you have some aha moments today? Did this sort of explain a little bit to you how affiliate marketing works, right? And then if you got some value from this video today, I would really appreciate some thumbs ups. That would be awesome if you could do that. I really appreciate it, okay? And look, this is affiliate marketing in a nutshell, which is pretty cool. This is like the 30,000 foot view, all right? But you do need to understand this because there are a lot of people out there that are peddling crap. All right, they don't want to teach you this because they want to keep you confused. All right, affiliate marketing is actually a very simple business model if you understand how to do it right. But just like everything else, it is one of the highest paying skill sets in the world. If you start the right affiliate marketing business, you can earn more than the highest paid doctors out there, the highest paid architects out there. Now, a doctor goes to school for 6 years, an architect goes to school for 6 years, right? You need to go to school. You need to go to affiliate marketing school just for a little bit. You don't have to do it for 6 years, but you have to go to school for a little bit in order for you to earn more than a doctor can, more than an architect can. And that's the thing, a lot of people are not willing to get the right marketing skills to do this properly, but yet this is one of the highest paying skills in the world, okay? So what I recommend is that you do that. You go out there, you find a great program to teach you how to start a proper affiliate marketing business. Now, if you want to find out how I did it, okay, all you have to do is click the link right below. In the description box, there's a little link right there, okay? It's going to lead you to my website, enter your best email address, and I'm going to take you step by step through this process. I'm going to break it down for you even more, all right, so that you get to see the ins and outs. I'm going to bring you into my home office. I'm going to, hang out with you on my computer. I'm going to show you my computer screen and all that good stuff. And if you really want to start an affiliate marketing business, then I'm going to show you how, okay? My name is Aaron Chen. All the best. Take care and speak to you soon.